Retail investors are feeling confident into year-end. According to Charles Schwab's latest trader sentiment survey, 57% of respondents describing themselves as bullish on the market, even amid rising risks tied to valuations, politics, and the economy. Here to dig into the findings is Schwab Head of Trading Services, James Kostulias. It's good to see you.
Thanks, Mike.
Thanks for stopping by here. So how does this reading compare with where sentiment by this survey has been before? Do you detect any kind of evolution of the sentiment?
Yeah, so last quarter we were at the same level of bullishness, which is 57%, but that's an all-time high. So all-time high to all-time high. I think the big change that we saw, though, was the perception of the market being overvalued, where we went last time from about 57%, this time up to 67%. So I really like the way you described it. There's a bullishness for sure, but it's a cautious bullishness. It's not a reckless bullishness. And we're seeing a lot of trading behaviors that sort of support what the sentiment is saying in terms of hedging activities, a lot more option activities, looking at some of the bigger positions that they've had and putting collars around them, using married puts, using covered calls. And so the retail investor is definitely highly engaged right now.
I was going to ask that. I mean, to what degree they're either in protection mode or chase mode? So you're saying essentially they're a little bit wary about maybe being hedged.
I think they are, but they're also opportunistic. And we've seen it back since April when the retail investor was really rewarded for the buying the dip behaviors that we saw. And even though the market, if you look at the last quarter, again, 57% bullish to start, with the S&P was 6,200 to 6,700, somewhere in that range, start to end of the quarter. I think there were times in the quarter where it looked a little bit choppier, and they were definitely taking some risk off. I think what we saw in October here is actually a really good example where on the 10th, with a lot of the China tariff turmoil, our clients were actually huge net buyers that day.
Yeah. James, this does not surprise me. Most bullish information technology is a sector.
Yep.
Utilities and energy, though, 2 and 3, where's that coming from?
I think some of that is a play off of the IT or the mega cap or the AI. So energy being a big one. And so I'll give you a name of IREN, which has become very popular with our clients in terms of, we think, adding exposure both to the AI space, the energy space, obviously, but the crypto space as well. And so you're seeing some cautiousness over maybe some of the names before that you would have thought of more the household plays for something like crypto, like with a MicroStrategy, that now you're seeing something like an IREN maybe that's taking a little bit more of that volume.